What's up, guys? Urbex here, back for another video. Today we are in South Carolina to see a abandoned wooden house, farmhouse. This one also has the little extension part to it with the spinny fan on top. So this one is kind of near, it's in the middle of a town called Klein and an old town called Allendale. I just found this house yesterday actually off of Google Maps, and I just decided to come out here and check it out because I've been having issues with finding abandoned houses down here that are like this. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. It is really hot outside. I haven't checked the weather, but it's around 80 or 90 degrees. It's like this house has been through a lot of stages of life. I'd say this one was built in the early 1900s, possibly 1800s. You guys are up to tell how old this house really is, because I don't really get to see a lot of wooden frame houses, except for the previous videos. I found a couple and stuff. So let's get on into this house. There is a lot of vegetation in this place. Wasn't really expecting it, but apparently it'd be like that, and I just have to get used to it out here. A lot of bugs and other stuff. There's a nearby farm over there with some guy on his harvester doing his work. I don't think he really minds what I'm doing, I guess. So I literally parked out in the wide open my car in the middle of the road. Let's see what's in here. I did do some test walking. I walked around here, make sure it's safe stuff. You guys can see like the floor is gone, almost gone stuff. The house is made of all of wood. Wood and only wood. And just some cinder blocks right here. This is the main entrance, I believe. Couldn't really find any other entrance, so apparently this right here is collapsing and stuff, so I can't really do much around walking around here. Very unsafe. In fact, if I step on this right here, it shakes the entire thing, so that's gotta be careful. Alright, let's take a step inside. I have to go through the window because this is the only safe entrance. I wonder what happened to the roof here. Alright, now we're inside. It is really hot outside. I'm sweating. It's an old chimney. There is a hole right here, so I have to be careful. I made sure to step on the right board, which is right here. Stuff. This house got a lot of windows, that's for sure. In this style right here. Or it just curves. I also like the light blue color that they tried to paint probably 100 years ago on here. This also has the string lamp or something, ceiling light, where you pull on this and just yank it and the light turns on. That's pretty interesting. I'm probably not going to do any stepping over here, that's unsafe. So this is a 1-floor house. I don't really get why these southern houses only have 1 floor. I don't understand. Maybe it was just too expensive to have 2 floors. Who knows? This is probably one of the entrances right here. There is a big fan. I never seen a farmhouse have a fan like that. That's really cool. That's my first farmhouse. You don't see any of that in Ohio and Pennsylvania, I guess. I haven't seen one yet. I don't think this house has any sockets to plug anything into. This might be a little hint to show how old this house is. The only hint I've noticed is that this house has this right here. That's my only hint to show how old this house really is. So maybe this house was built in the 1800s or so. I just heard something. I just opened this door right here. I thought something would fall down, but apparently not. Oh wait, this house does have sockets. Only one. It's the only socket I see right there. Outlets. This house must have been abandoned for, oh, I'd say over 30 years. Maybe more. More than 30 years. 30, 40 years. I went on Google Maps. No, I went on Google Earth, actually. I went on Google Earth and went back in time on it to see how old the house was, and this house was still abandoned in 1999, so it's been here for a while, I'd say. I don't think it's safe to go over there. It's kind of common sense to me, so. Too bad we can't get to see what's on the other side of this house. I don't know how this all collapsed. Maybe it was just, I don't know. Too hot to think. In fact, this is my first farmhouse that actually looks like this down south. That's actually abandoned. Oh, I hear something. All right. Let's head on outside and see what's out there. See you guys in a bit. All right, so we're outside. Apparently a tractor just pulled by. I thought my car was in the way. I was getting like a little bit scared, so he might come out and tell me what I was doing, but apparently not. So I guess I'm lucky, to say to the very least. Maybe the guy might come back. I don't know. But I'm just here taking some pictures and filming. Because now I have to go through this mess. See what's in the back of the house. I wasn't really expecting this to be very hard. All these bushes. Yeah, I got one side of the house right here. It's not much, unfortunately. Now I have to see how can I get past these bushes. Other thought I might just go around this. Alright, I'm on the other side of the place. That was pretty annoying. It is so hot outside. It's unbelievable. Alright. Here's the other side of the house for you guys. Also the last part of the video. Looks like this house was red at some point. I see a red tint on the house. On the wood, actually. So make sure I watch my steps so I don't go falling in something. Yeah, looks like this is the last part right here. No point in going all the way around, so. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this house. May not be much to see, but I at least got to go inside and see what's up with this place. So, hope you guys have a nice day. Like and subscribe for more. This is I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.